When it comes to durability, with a brilliant performance, ThinkPads are the laptops which pop up in my mind. Although being a ThinkPad fan personally, seeing it from a third perspective, they are the robust machines you need. Some are rugged and flexible too. So hello guys, this is Malhar Jetli here from AEPAC, and today we have a premium model that is the ThinkPad T470. So for people who know how T470 works, can re-experience their experience in this video, and for people who don't know, keep watching. Coming on to the build quality of this laptop, the matte charcoal grey exterior has a soft touch surface, and overall the product feels sturdy and sensitive both at the same time. It comes under an ultrabook segment having premium material used inside its body. It has classy aesthetics and a gentle keyboard for any business user. The bezels are quite balanced, and also over here you can see that how well the display and the bezel are almost on par. On testing the hinges, they don't seem to be a problem and it's very easy to control them. It's easy but then again strong. Difference starts here. The T470 weighs in at around 1.6 kgs, which is very light considering for a regular corporate user. But against its competitors like Dell 5480 or the HP 1040 G3, it's heavier. Coming on to the back side, we have the typical ThinkPad base support rubbers right over here. You can have a look, and the overall architecture. The docking station port, and you can see how the laptop looks right here. It's quite slim, and a thumbs up on the portability. Here have a look at some different angles. Touchpad right over here is precisely designed for using it comfortably. The left and the right clicks feel normal springy sensations, and with a gentle click, usage becomes luxurious. The trackball perfectly placed on the keyboard with each key being at the perfect distance from one another. The keyboard doesn't pop out at all, and the flatness goes together with the touchpad. You all can have a look at this angle. On to the specifications of the laptop. The T470 is powered by an Intel Core i5-7300U processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM which can be upgraded till 32GB, a 2.5-inch 256GB solid-state drive, a 14.1-inch Full HD IPS 1920x1080 panel with 157 pixels per inch. It also has an NVMe M.2 slot where another solid-state drive can be installed. On to the basic multitasking in this laptop, I won't be opening any heavy softwares or applications, but by opening multiple basic apps, you all will get a rough idea on the performance in this laptop. So here we are. I'm going to open the recycle bin, Google Chrome, then we go on to an image, then we open up a video file. That's cool. MS Office will obviously run like butter, so for work usage the performance shall be more than adequate. Excel, PowerPoint, the animations are smooth, there is no hint of a minor lag or a bug. So overall the laptop is just perfect for all your office needs. Full HD IPS display does suit its description. I am impressed by this display as it has a balance of color saturation and pixels. Viewing it at different angles, the colors don't seem to fade away, and the concentration of the blend also doesn't seem to change by a huge scale. Although lights can impose a decent amount of glares on the screen if above. So I just switched off the light and you all can see how the display looks in a dim lighted setting. Customers had asked me to compare the speed between both these laptops, the T470 and the L450. So here we are, we open the recycle bin, and the T470 is faster. Even the camera quality on the T470 is better and also opens up faster again. Even though it's only a 2 generation difference practically, i5 5th generation or i5 7th generation, there's a difference in the RAM, that's DDR3 and DDR4, and the overall performance of both laptops are significantly different. So guys, when you open up any applications or anything like that, the T470 is faster. Even while shutting down, it shuts down pretty quickly. Guys, the T470 basically is a performance cum sturdy gadget which will help you all sail across programming softwares Linux based work, MS Office work, coding, corporate projects and so on. The battery works fine, the specifications are great, and with the 32GB DDR4 and 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD, the performance shall be enhanced by good margin, and you all can use a 1TB hard drive for an optimum storage in the 2.5-inch slot. For people using the T series, all this isn't new for them, but the T470 and the models above the T470 do create a charm in the market. Coming on to a business point of view, we don't offer cash on delivery. There are only two ways of purchasing laptops from us. One is entire payment in advance, that's supposed to be EPIA, or cash on visit at the office. Any damage done during transportation shall be the responsibility of us, so stay assured. The sales numbers and the description given below, you all can contact us or even write an email to us for your business needs. Hope you liked the video. Share the video. Please subscribe to AEPAC and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you all can be notified whenever we upload a video. Thanks a lot guys. Have a nice day. Happy shopping.